Good morning friends! Welcome to another vlog. In today's video, punta tayo sa Milwaukee Public Museum. Tara, sama kayo! Ang entrance fee pala dito sa museum is $22 for adults and $16 for kids. Pero 3 years old and below, free siya. And $5 yung parking. For the whole day, pag weekend. 3 floors yung mga exhibits nila dito. Kaya try ko yung very best kong mapakita sa inyo halos lahat. Go, CJ, go! Kenji, wait for us. What's that? Yeah, Kenji, you can tap so you can know what happened. Yeah, so you can tap on the picture. Tap on the picture and then read what's... Tap. So what does it say?
What is this? Where did they find this?
That's how they write before in Egypt.
When he's on Earth?
Yeah.
They use that?
Yes. That's how they...
But now they use pesos?
No, different currencies.
Now they use different coins?
Yeah. Next, welcome to Africa. Baka hindi ko mapakita sa inyo pala halos lahat ng exhibitions kasi medyo ma-dark or madilim sa loob. Tsaka warm lang yung mga lights. Eh, alam nyo naman yung camera natin. Pero I'll try my hardest. Enjoy! Picture tayo dito. Saan tayo yung picture? Dito. It's not scary. There are animals. Seiji, it's not scary. Ask Ninong.
What? No.
It doesn't look real.
I want to see your face. No, don't cover your face.
Look, Kenji. Kenji, open your record. Mommy, come here.
Go. Yeah, go. Go inside.
What did he look
It's
like?
like samurai.
What did he look like?
You don't recall?
I forgot him.
Dahil nasa India tayo, ginagaya nila pati temperature sa India, kaya medyo warm dito sa kwarto na to. Kwarto? Exhibit.
But most of it has been spread for development, especially down here. So, 150 years ago, you know, there were all kinds of restaurants around here, down in the valley especially.
Oh no. It's a dinosaur.
Dinosaurs?
May duwag na naman po tayong kasama.
That's not Daddy.
Okay, go ahead and walk. Look for Harry Potter.
Mommy, Harry Potter's not real.
It's real.
It's real.
No,
It's real.
no,
He is.
no, he's not.
You can't reach it, Daisy. Only Ninong can.
No, I'm not dying. I'm afraid. I'm afraid.
Wait, Kenji. What?
I am scared of butterflies, okay?
Okay.
I need to go.
Hey guys, so ongoing yung show sa planetarium, kaso may natakot kaya lumabas kami. Hinihintay na lang namin matapos si Seiji at saka si Harold para ayun sa show ng planetarium. Sayang, ang ganda pa naman. Pero may scaredy cat. Tapos na tayo sa museum. Hindi ko napakita sa inyo lahat. Super konti lang itong napakita ko kasi nga madilim sa loob. Kasama na sa entrance nyo yung planetarium at saka butterfly experience. gosh! Trinay ko mag-vlog ng bonggang-bongga sa museum, pero kasi madidilim, so baka hindi maganda yung quality. Kaya, yun, pasensya naman. Yun lang. So, today is Saturday. Nagpunta kami sa Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
And tomorrow we're going to the zoo. And we'll see you in that video.
Okay. Oh, yun na nga. So, bukas na lang ulit. Bye! Thank you for watching!